This is master packing. This is beautiful. Hello guys, welcome back to Find Beauty Bible. I am so excited because it is almost Valentine's Day and I'm going to be doing so many like maintenance and self-care appointments. I just love the process of getting cute. I know some people hate it and don't find it relaxing at all, but I genuinely love it. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Starting with my hair, I really need a fill-in. Like you guys probably saw for the entire season 2, like girl, you need to get your nails done. What happened with these nails is I got them done a few days before Christmas and then I got COVID, so I couldn't leave the house. So by the time I was out of quarantine, it was mid-January. Now it is the end of January and I still have these nails on because I haven't had time to go to the nail salon. It's shameful. Like, look at the growth. It's absolutely disgusting. The laundry list of things I just gave you guys, I should not still be in my robe, so we gotta get going. Was gonna put on something cute, but then I asked Alexa what the weather outside was and she said 19 degrees, so no more of that. So I'm just gonna throw this hoodie on so that we can actually get on the road ASAP because got to go. This is how we look. I just threw on my Uggs, some sweatpants, sweatshirt, and now we're ready to go. Let's go.
Give me that. I gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it. Your judgment get clouded when you clouded. My opposition wish I'd stop smiling.
Okay, so I finished getting my hair done, as you can see. I'll show you close up in a second. But I also picked up some clothes from the tailor that I'll try on to show y'all. And I dropped off a return that I had at the post office. This one, you guys have actually seen this on Instagram already. I wore it in my video interview with Arioto Education, her YouTube channel. And what happened with this one is, this is actually a dress. So you can wear it buttoned up, but I usually wear it as a jacket. What happened was, because I usually wear it as a jacket, I had a full outfit underneath it. And then because it was cold out when I was walking back to the car, with my full outfit underneath it, I tried to button the dress closed, which obviously made it super tight because I had on a whole outfit underneath it and it's meant to be a dress where you don't wear anything underneath. So as I'm sitting down to get into the car, I hear stitches down the side coming out. One by one, all the stitches started coming out at the side, both sides underneath the arms. And I ripped it, so I had to take this to get taken in. All you saw here was this gaping hole going down this seam. It was wild, but she fixed it, so now I can wear this as a jacket again. I'm glad I got this fixed. But these pants, like, I needed to get these tailored. They were not fitting right before, and now they look great. So with my hair, what I got was, this is actually, it looks like a silk press, but this is actually a sew-in. I took my bundles. She usually dyes them jet black so that it matches my hair. Otherwise you'll see like black brown. It matches my hair perfectly now. And then this is my own hair at the top, of course. My hair is pretty much the same length as the hair that I have in, so I guess that's why it looks so natural. But I really like this length, so you know, I didn't want to get anything crazy long and unbelievable looking. So yeah, she always does such a good job, like such a good job. Look at this. Yeah, so I just feel like this color, length, everything suits me already because it's how my natural hair looks. I'm not very experimental with my hair at all. Kudos to my nail girl. I love this manicure. I get compliments on it all the time, but I want to do some cute Valentine's Day nails. I didn't want to get my Valentine's Day nails like the day before Valentine's Day because then I would be sick of it and they would be outdated. So still the beginning of February right now, so I'm going to do my Valentine's Day nails. That way, by the time Valentine's Day is finally over, then it'll be time to get them redone anyway. So perfect timing. Yeah, by the time I get back from my nail appointment, we'll be done for the day with all of the appointments. When I pack, I actually have a master list that I use. So it's in the notes section of my phone. And it has everything that I put in my carry-on, everything that I pack in my actual suitcase, shoes, camera equipment, skincare, toiletries, everything that you can possibly think of, right down to little details. Like sometimes hotels don't have Netflix built into the TV, so if you want to watch Netflix, you have to have an HDMI cord. And if I bring an HDMI cord, I need an adapter to hook the HDMI cord up to my iPad. Like literally the smallest details I have on this list. So when I'm packing, all I have to do is open this list and I can get started right away, and I can usually bang it out very quickly because this has everything I could possibly need on it already. So first thing I do using my list is I check off the things that are on here that I won't need. So for example, if I were going to Costa Rica, then I would need bug spray and extra sunscreen and all of that. But because I'm just going to Houston, I don't need, for example, I don't need my beach hat. So I'm going to check that off the list already. After I pick up my outfits, I'll usually come back here and find something to wear with them. This is not all of my accessories, but they're sort of where I keep the things that I have bought recently, didn't get a chance to wear, things that I really want to get photos in. So most of the time if I'm packing for a vacation, this is where I'm choosing from. Today I had to go to Zara because I am so tired of only wearing black and white. Like all of my clothes are black and white, my luggage is black and white, my shoes are black and white, my accessories are, no, I have some colorful accessories. I got a little something, but I was just so tired of it. So I was like, let me go to Zara and pick up something bright to put in between all this black and white. So I got this cute hot pink skirt, and I'm just gonna wear it with probably something black and white on the top. So the way I pack, this is all the clothes I'm bringing. It's only a 48-hour trip. I don't like to overpack. Some people really like having that excess of options, but it kind of just annoys me when I bring more things than I need. I'll do what I gotta do beforehand. Like I'll try on my outfits, I'll make sure my shoes are comfortable. I'm deciding what I'm wearing before I get on that plane. I do not bring double the outfits than what I need. Alright, so these are my clothes. I have my outfit for tomorrow during the day, my outfit for tomorrow night, my outfit for Saturday during the day, my outfit for Saturday night, and then I have some clothes to come home on Sunday. Despite the common stereotype that all women overpack so crazy, I don't overpack as far as outfits goes. The reason my suitcase is usually heavy is because this makeup bag right here, she's a heavy girl. Body care and skincare, she's a heavy girl. Shoe options that I bring, she's a heavy girl. So that's usually the reason my bag is heavy. As far as clothes, I don't overpack at all. And for my airport outfit, this is like my favorite airport outfit. It's these Nike sweats, a matching hoodie. This hoodie is very warm, but it's also lightweight. So I like to wear things like this to the airport because I am perpetually cold. I hate being cold. I hate it. So I always have something super warm for the airport. And then usually hotels have laundry service. So what I'll do is I'll just pay the little like $7 or whatever, have them wash my airport clothes, and then I'll wear the same thing coming back home. So it doesn't make sense to pack 2 whole outfits just to sit on the plane. I'm gonna just wear that same thing to get back on the plane Sunday afternoon. So boom, airport outfits, all the clothes are done. Now I need to pack my shoes and accessories for each outfit. So for this first outfit, I'm wearing my Brandon Blackwood purse. I will probably bring this purse on the plane because she's a little bit hefty to try to fit into a carry-on suitcase. So I'll probably leave this one out and make it part of my airport outfit. Shoes for the first day. are gonna be my black and white dunks. And again, I don't want these smushed up in a tiny little suitcase that I'm about to pack to the max. So I'm gonna make these the same shoes I'm wearing to the airport so that they're on my feet and not squished underneath 50 pounds of makeup. I'm gonna be wearing these heels that come with the leather socks, and it turns into a boot. They look like sandals when they're like this, but they come with a leather sock. You put the sock on and then you slip your foot into these. So these are gonna be my shoes for the night. And this is gonna be the purse that I'm wearing with that outfit. So I'll put those here. Then my shoes for Saturday night, which is date night. These heels that I have with the studs on them. These are so uncomfortable, but they're super cute. So I just suck it up and I wear them the whole night every time I wear them. And this matching purse. So this is gonna be my Valentine's Day. Inside of this bag here is where I keep my accessories. Like, I don't think you can see it, but it's so cute. It's this tennis necklace and it comes with a matching bracelet, and I cannot wait to wear it. It's gonna look so cute and elegant with my outfit. Also in here, I will put my underwear, bonnet, you know, all those small little things. So the flight to where we're going is about 3.5 hours. So I'm kind of thinking, like, should I bring my whole laptop and edit a video while I'm on the plane? Should I be productive? It's literally only February 10th right now, and I'm already talking about editing March content. Let me leave the damn laptop at home. It's not necessary.
My family wish I'd stop wildin'. I'm still on the east side smoking with my OG. Cause they the only ones that really know me. I was fucking superstars when I was 19. Shit we did, you won't believe me. Now I'm at the turn up looking lonely. Then they wonder why I'm quiet at them house parties. Cause everybody see me. Throw some blunts and hit her once and now she need me. Her nigga wanna be me, yeah. But they don't know I'm fighting demons. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep end. All my bitches know I'm leaving. At some point, whether there's a reason or not, don't try giving me reasons to stop.